get a stick.
Okay, how to tell time in the woods.
Up the height of your nose. You draw a circle.
A stick about close to the height of your nose.
Mark it. Take a
Oh,
stick,
yeah.
you put your nose and extend it, and you draw a line all the way around.
Okay.
Make your marks. Make your marks. Put your back to the sun or to the moon, whichever. You get your stick, it's a lot lighter, and then a little bit further. And then you watch the shadow over here. And you bring the stick all the way. You might want to come out here and see what I'm doing. And you turn the stick this way. Get your wrist in this position, and you pull your sleeve back. That's how to tell time in the woods.
Oh, you look at your watch. I was trying to learn. Oh, man.
Time in the woods. You know how to do it.
Just look at your watch. Oh, my gosh.